Everyone thinks the best-selling indoor 4K Hdtv antenna is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Hdtv TV antenna. The Hdtv TV antenna caught my attention right away, especially with its impressive price tag of just $19.98. This best-selling antenna has over 19,500 reviews and is popular for a reason. If you want a budget-friendly way to watch local channels without a cable bill, this is worth a serious look. What really sets this antenna apart is its strong magnetic base and omnidirectional reception. This means it can pull in signals from all directions, and the 4K HD quality ensures that you won't miss any detail in your favorite shows. With a 10 FT cable, you have flexibility in how you position it for the best reception, which is crucial if you're in an area with obstructive buildings. Plus, with an impedance of 75 ohms, it's designed to minimize signal loss. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have a weak signal in your area, this could be the difference between watching your favorite show or missing it altogether. Now, some people complained about the setup process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, as long as you read the manual and test different placements, most users find it really does work well. If you're willing to put in a little effort, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a low-cost solution to cut cable and still enjoy your local channels. Skip this one if you live far from broadcast towers or need a more robust solution for multiple TVs. At under $20, it's a solid value. Now, if the Hdtv's setup frustrations bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for hassle-free installation. Product number 2, DAANT TV antenna. Next up is the DAANT TV antenna, priced at $18.99. This one stands out with a slightly higher rating of 4.1 stars from about 3,600 reviews. If you're after something that promises good signal reception with minimal fuss, this is definitely worth considering. The DAANT antenna supports both 4K and 1080p, which means you're getting high-quality broadcasts. It's crafted with a solid center conductor and multiple shielding layers, which helps prevent distortion, even in less-than-ideal weather conditions. Here's why this matters for you. If you're in an area with frequent rain or storms, this durability can save you from interruptions during your favorite shows. However, some users mentioned it doesn't work well with older TVs. Now, for those of you with modern smart TVs, that's not an issue at all, but it would be a deal breaker if you're trying to use it with older equipment. Honestly, for smart TV users, this isn't a concern. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy-to-install solution for local channels without worrying much about the weather. Skip this one if you have an older model TV that doesn't support digital signals. Overall, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you in urban settings looking for reliable reception. Product number 3, Channel Master FLA antenna. Now let's talk about the Channel Master FLA antenna, which is priced at $35. This one has received a lot of love with 4.1 stars from 1,800 reviews. If you're in search of something sleek but effective, this antenna deserves your attention. The FLA antenna features a 35-mile reception range, which is impressive for urban areas where interference can be an issue. It's designed to accommodate real-world factors, so you won't lose signal during your favorite shows. Plus, this antenna is compatible with 4K broadcasts, which is a huge plus if you're looking towards the future of TV. The ultra-thin design allows for flexible placement without taking up too much space. Here's why this matters for you. If you're tight on space or want something discreet, this antenna fits right in without cluttering your living room. One downside is that some users reported it struggles in areas with many obstructions. Now, if you're in a densely populated area with tall buildings, this could be a concern. But for most suburban users, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you desire a stylish antenna that blends easily into your home decor while still being functional. Skip this if you live in a high-rise or an area with significant interference. It's a good value for its price and performance. Now, if the FLA antenna's potential reception issues concern you, the The next option might just hit the sweet spot for reliability and performance. Product number 4, Philips Rabbit Ears. Next, we have the Philips Rabbit Ears Black Indoor TV Antenna priced at $17.74. With a 4.2-star rating from over 4,100 reviews, this one is a classic choice that many swear by. If you want something reliable and straightforward, this is definitely worth a look. This antenna offers free access to local channels in full HD, including CBS, ABC, and NBC. It has a broad spectrum reception for both VHF and UHF signals, which means better chances of picking up channels in your area. The weighted base provides stability, so you won't have to worry about it toppling over. Here's why this matters for you. If you're setting this up in a busy household with kids or pets, that stability is key for uninterrupted viewing. However, some users noted it can struggle with reception in certain locations. Now here's the thing, if you live in a remote area, you might need something with a stronger signal. But for most suburban and urban users, the range will be adequate. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-fuss antenna that gets the job done. Skip this if you live far from broadcast towers or need a more complex setup. At this price point, it's a solid buy. Now, if the Philips Rabbit Ears reception concerns caught your attention, the next product may offer an even more reliable performance. Product number 5, GE Modern Loop. Finally, we have the GE Modern Loop Rabbit Ears Indoor TV Antenna priced at just $10.82. With a 4.1-star rating and over 2,600 reviews, it's an affordable option that doesn't skimp on performance. If you want to get great HD channels without breaking the bank, this one is definitely a contender. This antenna provides access to HD channels up to 30 miles from the broadcast source, making it a great choice for those who live in suburban areas. It's easy to install, just place it on your TV stand and adjust the rabbit ear dipoles for the best reception. Here's why this matters for you. If you want something that won't take a lot of time to set up, this is incredibly user-friendly. But some users did mention that it can be finicky when it comes to adjusting for the best signal. Now, I'll be real with you, if you don't want to mess around with placements and fine-tuning, this might not be for you. But if you're willing to take a few minutes to adjust, it can perform really well. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that delivers decent performance. Skip this if you need something that works perfectly without any adjustments. It's an incredible value for the features it offers. So there you have it, 5 great indoor 4K Hdtv antennas to help you cut the cord and enjoy free local channels. From the budget-friendly Hdtv to the stylish Channel Master FL antenna, there's something for everyone. Consider your needs and pick the one that feels right for you. Good luck and happy watching.